of our offline POS system, so which is designed to run smoothly even without an internet connection. So let's log in. Once you log in, you land on the dashboard screen where you can see a quick summary of your sales, collecting amount, and also you can apply some filters on it like that. So, and here we have a configuration settings from where you can set a default printer from here, and you can select the paper size, either A4, A5, or thermal invoice printing. And on the other hand, here is the checkbox. For example, if you don't want to see a preview before printing, so you can press this, so the preview will not going to show you, so it will directly print from the printer. And hide products is the function. For example, on the POS screen we have a product grid, so if you don't want to see the product on the POS screen, so you can simply check this, so the products are going to hide it. If you uncheck this, so the products are going to show. Let's move to the POS screen. This is the POS screen, and you can see we have a lot of buttons and a lot of functionality there. I'm going to explain one by one. So first of all, let's move to the online button. So you can see currently we are online, so the status is showing online. So if you are going to synchronize it, so all the data and products will be loaded in the system. Even there is no internet connection, you can still make a sales. So let's turn off the internet connection. Okay, so we have turned off the internet connection. So you can see, you can go back, and the revenue dashboard data will not going to show you, because this data is coming from the online, because you have a lot of sales going on. So that's why it is not going to give you a data for the real time, because there is no internet connection. So if I go back to there, but I can make still sales from the POS screen. So let's going to create some scale sales, and here by default walk-in customer is added. If you want to add a new customer, you can add a new customer from here. So if you want to add any kind of taxes, you can select it, either otherwise you can skip it. And if you want to add any discount percentage or fix, you can apply the discount. And if you press the hold button, so the sale going to be hold, and later on you can get the sale and create it. And here we have a pay button, credit button, and card button. And you can see credit button is disabled, because to the walk-in customer you can do a credit sale. For that you have to enter the customer name, phone number, and required details which you need to track a proper record of the payment. So you have, then it will be enabled. So now I'm going to pay it. So once I am going to pay it, so you can see this is the invoice which is going to print it. So this is the quick overview of the creating a sale. Now move to the other buttons. So here you can see the quick. So the quick button is actually runs, for example, you are at the superstore and you have a lot of thousands of products, and you need a quick scanning. Instead of you don't need to delay for even a 1 or 2 seconds, you want to create a invoice in milliseconds, so then it will be usable. So the quick scanning is going to work. You have to simply scan the barcode, and it will be in milliseconds going to add the sale in the system. On the other hand, if you don't want it, so you can simply disable it or enable it. And here we have a lot products, and we are seeing the real-time stock of the product here. So if I want to search the customer name here, and going to select the products, now you can see the credit sale button is now showing. So if I'm going to press the credit, so the invoice is done and it is printed. And now, for example, if I'm going to come online, so it is automatically synchronize all the sales with the main dashboard panel. So it is synchronize all the sales. And let's move to the panel, dashboard panel. to see the sales are loaded on the panel or not. Previously it is showing 1650. Let's refresh it. Now the sales data is also loaded here. Now let's go to the invoices. The invoices are created or not. So we have created two invoices. First invoice we have created with the uh, $50 discount. So we can see the discount $50, total amount 1650. We apply a discount and that's it. And the second invoice we have created a credit invoice. So here it is the credit invoice, so we can see both of invoices are showing there. So the best part is this system works completely offline even if your internet goes down, so you can continue selling without an interruption. All data is saved locally and can be synchronized later. And also this helps you track your business performance and manage records efficiently. So that's it.